Hi, this is Rich from Wormico. Just like us, worms need oxygen to survive. But how do they breathe inside a compost bin? In this video, I'll reveal a unique feature of the Wormico Tower that keeps the air flowing and the worms thriving. Composting worms thrive in the right balance of air, moisture and food. That's why many people tend to fluff their compost bin. It's a common way to add air into the pile. But here's the thing, while fluffing does aerate, it also breaks apart the delicate layers of substrate that the worms have already processed. These layers are important as they form a natural structure where food gradually turns into castings, and disturbing them too often can set back the system. Manual fluffing inside a DIY bin is fairly easy, but fluffing all the layers of a typical worm tower is a lot of work. Instead of relying on manual fluffing, each tray in the Wormico Tower is designed to rotate a full 360 degrees in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. In addition, each tray can be rotated independently of the others. This means you can gently aerate without digging or disturbing the layers that the worms have created in a short amount of time. The way the system can fluff is based on the floor of the Wormico tray. It has a vane structure which moves the material within the tray as it rotates, creating an effect similar to fluffing, but in a way that is smooth and less disruptive. The vanes also help agitate the substrate so that as the material gets finer and lighter, it naturally falls into the tray below. This downward movement creates space for fresh food on top and also preserves the vertical layering of the worm's ecosystem. Ventilation is just as important as aeration. The lid has been designed with plenty of vent holes that allow oxygen to flow in and carbon dioxide to escape. This ensures the worms have a fresh supply of air circulating through the system. At the very bottom of the Wormico Tower, which holds the most processed castings, there's a tray with a perforated floor that's designed to ventilate the bottom part of the system. The result is a system where air and material can move naturally through every level. The Wormico Tower uses its interactive 360-degree rotation to keep the worms active and comfortable while retaining the processed layers within each tray. Worms stay happy, compost matures smoothly, and harvesting worm castings is easy and reliable. So that's secret 2 unlocked, a built-in auto-fluffing aerator for your worms. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you would like to see more videos in this series, then please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.